Alright, dude. Alright, dude, let's get this started. You guys better like this video, chat.
Cute little child star?
You guys better enjoy this video.
You got the wrong girl. Yahoo!
Oh my
that
gosh.
makes 1,000 pizzas delivered.
Alright, those are the outstanding survivors.
Welcome to Farlight 84.
Alright, GG gamers.
Skydiving is like rocket down there. Get ready to hear the roar of metal.
Oh my gosh. Maggie backed off.
Order confirmed. Ready to drop in.
My gosh, bro. I got a hound shotgun and I'm not sure if I'm gonna do well with it. Alright, got myself a porcupine.
Direct hit.
I might as well just keep the
Loading.
shotgun, but at least get the engine star.
Wait. Gotta reload.
Even better, got myself an M4.
I forgot my keys. Can't go outside without my
Another
keys.
one bites the dust.
Let's take that shotgun.
I have my key card and my phone.
Direct hit. I'm hit. Dang it.
Bro,
No one's left alive.
why did you even go over there? Alright, this is the shotgun challenge. I'm attempting to get a kill with the shotgun.
Safe zone will retract in 30 seconds.
But in order for me to do that, I just gotta deal damage with the assault rifle, or at least get a kill with assault rifle, then try to kill him with the shotgun. I need the ancient star.
Reloading. Take that. Now for a different beat. Wait. Gotta reload.
There we go.
Time for a solo. Shield recharging. Safety comes first on stage.
Alright.
Wait. Gotta reload.
Got our first kill with the shotgun. Need to get more shotgun ammo. And bada bing, bada boom, we got ourselves an ancient star.
Time for an intermission. I need to reload.
The explosion block. How many cases now? I've been out parading, looking for the man now. I'm tired of waiting. I got an even speed. I'm a speedy P. I'm a speedy lead.
There we go.
I gotta need to be reaching the top of the tree. I'm a thing, be by the machine, and I know that ain't nobody be stuck
Comes
with me.
first on
They're gonna get blown
stage.
out. I got the double, they go down. You should've known there was no doubt. I was not back, but I'm getting in the zone now. So we all getting ready. You
So
ready
far
now?
so good.
Ready now? Should we go now? But I was chilling. We gotta go get him. Oh, can we just chill with the
I need shotgun ammo.
Open fire!
Yo, look, I was all in
Reloading.
I'm away, ain't needing no clone. Solo, YOLO, feeling so good. Peas in the
Another one bites the dust.
Another one bites the dust.
Now I'm never stopping. The queen of the mountain, part of me.
Oh jeez, no.
I want a big party. Will they celebrate me? I wanna protect my name until they respect the name. I'm a little bit extra man, so don't be putting the rest to shame.
Reloading! Hold on! Direct hit!
Have you ever seen a be like me that I think so? You know, so unique, and I'll show you all you'll see.
Let's
Another
go,
one bites the
bro.
dust. I never fire without a purpose. There's a grip here. Level 3. Direct hit!
Oh my gosh.
Reloading! Another one bites the
Oh my
dust.
gosh, bro.
Cool. There's trouble over here. Requesting reinforcements. Shield here. Level 3. Wait. Gotta reload. Direct hit. Restoring shield. Restoring shield. Using medkit.
Bro. It was a free shot too. That was a free shot too. There we go. Where did that guy go?
I'll be back on stage in a jiffy.
Alright, chat. Nothing. No more distractions, bros. Oh my gosh, stop. No.
Start delivering
No, 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 no.
Time to fly!
Oh my gosh, no.
airdrop arrived.
Oh,
Wait. Gotta reload.
Safe zone will retract in 30 seconds.
Trouble over here.
Oh, crap.
Requesting reinforcements.
oh my gosh, stop.
Time for an intermission. I need to reload. Cool. The new song for the truck.
I swear to God, stop.
Take that. Now for a different beat.
Oh my gosh, bro.
Recharging.
I have no
Safety
health
comes
left.
first on stage.
No, stop.
Bandages hurt.
Oh my gosh, bro.
Time to reload.
Oh my gosh, bro. It's really hard to do something with you're only doing shotguns. It's not like me, bro.
No one's left alive. Aww.
Nice, Maggie.
Reloading. I found a stock. Level 4.
Oh my gosh, bro. Bro.
Time to fly.
Safe zone will retract in 30 seconds.
Oh, come on, bro. Oh, jeez, nope. I didn't want to crouch. Why did I crouch? Oh my gosh,
Now
bro.
that's a perfect curtain call.
Oh my gosh, bro.
No one's left alive. Aww. I never miss. Reloading.
Oh my gosh.
Time for an intermission. I need to reload.
Alright.
Now that's a perfect curtain call.
Oh my gosh, bro.
Another one bites
oh,
the
geez.
dust.
I should never have left this area. Actually, I can't.
That hit was perfectly in sync. Again.
Dang it.
Safe zone will retract in 30 seconds.
Bro. Oh my gosh, bro.
Open fire. No one's left alive. Aww. Lightning speed reload coming up. Shield is ready to go. Wait. Gotta reload. Cool. The new song has a drum beat. I never miss.
That fucking guy just on
Lightning
my
speed
fucking foot.
reload coming up. I'm being attacked. My ears are gonna burst. Take that. Time to reload. I'll be back on stage in a jiffy. Now that's a perfect curtain call.
Shield recharging. Safety comes first on stage.
Hold on.
Oh,
There's
frick.
a shield XP here. There's a shield XP. Shield is ready to
gosh, bro.
Wait, gotta reload. That hit was perfectly insane here. Again, I found a shield. Level 5.
Let's go, bro. Let's go. Bro, let's freaking go, bro.
30 seconds.
Ding.